My name is Dr. Mark Heffron, and I'm extremely satisfied and thrilled that I chose Schwartzapfel as my law firm. Schwartzapfel knows the ropes as to how to attain the maximum benefits for their clients, given all the circumstances that can arise, whether it's a private insurance carrier, whether it's a city, state, doesn't really make a difference to them. They've seen it all. I think the Fighting for You slogan is not by accident. They're not putting themselves first, they're putting their clients first. And they take that stance that whatever it's going to take to make the client whole is what they're willing to do. How Steve changed my life personally was, first of all, that the end of the world doesn't happen because you're in a car accident. And that he made me feel comfortable from the beginning that my life will get back together and that he will help me and my family become whole again, and that we'll be able to move forward from this traumatic event. Dealing with the city as your adversary, it's like dealing with the federal government. You just know that they have all the resources and everything on their side. But Steve is exceedingly confident. He knows the right people to talk to, that he can have a conversation and really represent the true damage of what you've gone through in a way that even the city felt empathy towards what I was going through. And so I was satisfied with how the case ended up as far as that goes. You know, one of the things that happens when anybody is in any sort of traumatic event, one of the first things they think of is this going to be permanent? Am I going to be like this? Or is this how's the rest of my life going to be? And if somebody can, with confidence and authority, tell you that you're going to be fine and that you believe them and that it really does come to fruition, that's a tremendously satisfying thing. That you realize that this was just a moment in time, as horrible as it can be, and that there could be residual effects over time, but they'll be minimized and that you've handled it as best as you possibly can.